In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to secure your website with SSL, HTTPS redirection, and GoDaddy security. If you want your site to look trustworthy and stay better protected, these are three important settings to review. They work together to encrypt traffic, force secure connections, and add an extra layer of defense in front of your website. First, make sure your SSL certificate is active, properly installed, and correctly bound to your domain. An SSL certificate is what allows your site to load over HTTPS instead of HTTP, and it helps protect the information exchanged between your visitors and your website. In your hosting or domain control panel, look for the SSL or security section and confirm that the certificate is active and assigned to the correct domain name, including any version such as the non-www or www version if your site uses both. If the certificate is installed but not bound correctly, visitors may still see security warnings, so this part is worth checking carefully. Next, enable HTTPS redirection in your site settings or through your cPanel to htaccess configuration. This step is important because it automatically sends all visitors to the secure HTTPS version of your site, even if they type in the older HTTP address. Many hosting platforms have a simple toggle for this in the site settings, which is the easiest option. If that setting is not available, you can use the htaccess file in cPanel to create the redirect there. The goal is to make sure every page consistently loads over HTTPS, which improves both security and user trust. After enabling the redirect, test your site by visiting the HTTP version and confirming that it immediately changes to HTTPS. Finally, go to your GoDaddy dashboard and enable GoDaddy security or the web application firewall if it is included in your plan. A web application firewall helps filter malicious traffic before it ever reaches your website. This can reduce the risk of common attacks and add another protective layer beyond SSL alone. In your dashboard, check whether the security feature is available, then turn it on and follow any prompts to connect it to your site properly. Once these settings are in place, do a quick final review. Open your website in a browser, confirm the secure padlock appears, make sure HTTP redirects to HTTPS, and verify that your security service is active. With these three actions completed, your website will be set up with stronger protection and a more secure experience for your visitors.